Whoa, how y'all is? Just getting off work. I'm going through the Vietnamese part of town here. I always like trying out some ethnic foods. Sometimes you get more than you bargain for, like E. coli or hepatitis or something. And sometimes you find a real gem. And I know people say, Chef, why are you stopping to get food if you've been in the kitchen all day? But the reality is, I didn't touch no food today. I was doing paperwork, financial reports, and all that good shit. So, I'm hungry. Haven't eaten all day. Let's see what we can find.
Easy Chef.
Now, today.
It's Easy Chef.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Join me. Yeah, y'all. So I'm over here in Little Vietnam. Let's see what we can find to eat at the Bistro B. I'm thinking maybe a banh mi. So I decided to go into the banh mi place. I haven't had a banh mi in a while. So I got the beef banh mi. It has some nice looking cakes and stuff in there. And it's supposed to be beef, so hopefully it ain't cat salad. We'll see. Okay, so there we go, the banh mi. This comes on a Vietnamese baguette. You got some pickled cucumber and carrots and onions. Lots of cilantro. And some beef down in there. And this whole sandwich, I say it's probably about a 10-inch sandwich or so. Close to a foot long, maybe a foot long. For $3.99. Cheers. Let's see what this tastes like. Big old piece of gristle right off the bat. That wasn't too good. Kind of tastes like Felix. I mean, this meat is so, I don't know what the hell it is. It's all chewy and fat. I don't know. It's about the worst banh mi I ever had. Typically, they give you a little rice wine vinegar to pour on top there to kind of soften the bread up. Well, at least this little bit of meat ain't all chewy. Usually, it's one of my favorite sandwiches. However, this one ain't very good. I understand why it's $4. So as you can see, I'm trying to get through this It's about the worst banh mi I ever had in my life. The meat's so chewy, gristly. I just pretty much eating the vegetables. I'm hungry. I ain't eating all day. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's all fat. It's like not even no meat on there. It's gristle. So, first time I've been there, and will be the last time. Hopefully this shit don't kill me. I'll find a new banh mi place and take you there so we can enjoy one of these. Anyway, hopefully this makes a solid turd. Thanks for joining me. Hopefully I see you next time. Oh yeah, before I get off here, I'm gonna put a little clip in here, a little picture of what my banh mi looks like at my restaurant. My beef banh mi. That's on rotation. I don't have it all the time, but when I do, it's fabulous. And I want to say one thing. This bathroom smells a shit ton better since I installed this damn thing. I guarantee.